I'm the story lady. How are you today? This is today's book, All Afloat on Noah's Boat by Tony Mitten and Guy Parker Rees. If my granddad was to say this, he would say it like this. All afloat on Noah's boat. Yes. Sorry about the accent. He was from North East, Newcastle way. Shall I move on? I think it's wise. All afloat on Noah's boat. Wow, that must be Noah. He's got his life jacket on. Very sensible, Noah. Well done. Ooh. Bang, bang, tap, tap, chip, chip, chip. Noah built a house in the shape of a ship. He built it wide, he built it tall. He built it for creatures, great and small. When the rain came down, Noah clanged his bell crying, "All aboard the Ark Hotel! The ground's getting wet, it'll soon be mud. Come and keep safe from the rising flood." So along came the creatures, all in pairs, flying through the windows, stepping up the stairs. Filling up the ark with a racket and a row, there were snakes in the stern and bears in the bow. It rain rattled down on the great big boat till the water rose and made it afloat. They could all see, all they could see was the flood and sky, but aboard Noah's Ark they were safe and dry. Can you see that? How brilliant. Somebody with an umbrella. Lovely. Well, the days went by and the weeks went past, and it seemed that the flood would last and last. All those creatures, packed so tight, got bored and snappy till they felt like a fight. The camels got the hump and the snakes got the wriggles. The hyped up hyenas both got the giggles. The lions and the leopards turned mean and catty, and boy, those rodents sure were ratty. There were animal tantrums and insect diffs, and the birds nearly came to feathery biffs. So Noah stood up, saying, "Hush and hark! Any more fuss, and you're off my ark." The rain stopped falling, but the flood's not done. So while we're here, let's have some fun. We're all getting ready for a talent show. You can all do something. Isn't that so? Clever old Noah. That did the trick. There were no more quarrels or fights to pick. When at last it was time to begin the show, old Noah said, "Well, are you ready to go?" So the animals came on 2 by 2 to show the things that they could do. The frogs sprang on, boing, boing, doing hyper hops and flipped all over the tabletops. Whee! The toucans played a rhythmic peck with tapping beaks upon their deck. The elephants dipped their trunks in the sea and blew high fountains. Ready, whee! But nobody heard the caterpillars croon. "We're wrapping ourselves in a tight cocoon." The snakes both tied themselves in knots. The leopards wriggled all their spots. Oh, what a rumpus! Oh, what a row! That talent show got busy now, but the poor little caterpillars lay quite still, all wrapped up in the windowsill. Can you see them? Oh. The crocodiles balanced on the tips of their tails. The monkeys screeched mega wails. The talent show was such a ball, there was no space to tell it all. And the caterpillars thought,
they're all so good, we'll both join in if we could.
Oh, they're still there, look, can you see them? But when the show was nearly through, Noah whispered, "One more act to do." Each caterpillar's tight cocoon looked like it might crack open soon. Ooh. Then out they burst. Surprise! Surprise! They both turned into butterflies. They spread their brilliant wings out wide, and every single creature sighed. Ah, they're beautiful, said Noah. Oh my, they've opened their wings to fly. But look, out there the water's gone. That means there's land to live upon. The butterflies can end our show. Let's wave goodbye and watch them go.
Bye, 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 bye.
Then the creatures came out 2 by 2 on a world that waited, bright and new. Ooh. Wow. Thank you. I really liked that. That was a great story. We're in a bit of a flood at the moment, aren't we? Because we have to stay in. I wonder if you'll be doing a talent show. Ooh. Maybe mums and dads and aunties and uncles or whoever's looking after you could join in. That would be cool. Yeah. Or you could get all your toys to do a talent show. That would be brilliant. I wonder. Hamish McBear might be quite good at tap dancing. I'll have to find out later. I think Nemo and Bruce, they're still asleep. Not sure what their talent is yet. Maybe they could do a bit of karaoke. Whatever they do, have fun and stay safe, stay well and stay in. Until the next time. Goodbye.